Welcome back, guys, to another episode of our Pixellab app. So in this part, we're going to teach you how you're going to design a logo. I'm sure you love the logo you can see on the screen. So just go along with me. Let's see how we're going to design this beautiful logo. In fact, you can be creative with yours. So stay tuned. Starting with our Pixellab, as you can see, clicking on the plus, I want to write my text, letter X. So I use letter X. So I pick X. Then I went to my text to increase the size. After increasing the size, I click OK. Then I went to my padding, increase the left and the right padding side, which is the space. Then I went to my font to pick a font. Now I'm searching for the font that will match the logo I want to use. So whatever logo you want to use, you can search on Google the name of the font you want to use. So I've taken one. I don't like this font, so I went back to pick another font. Let's see, Oboto. This is not nice. I don't really like this. I'll go back to my font and see if I can see another one I can pick. I think now let me try Nevix. So this is better. So I went back to the size to extend it properly to the big one. So now I went back to my plus size and pick my shape of square. I changed it to the circle. I click on circle and extended it. Then I went to the opacity, as you can see down there, and reduce it to 0. Then I increased the stroke to 32 as you can see on the screen. Then I try to adjust it so that it can be on the middle by going to the relative position and clicking it. So I lock it so that it will not move from one place to another. Then I pick the X as well. I try to adjust by picking the relative position to adjust to the center. Then I move it properly. Then I can see that it has adjusted to what I want. I went to the stroke and increase the stroke of the X to 32 as well. Then I went to adjust it as well, as you can see. Then I went to lock it so that it will stop moving from one point to another. Then I went back to the plus side to pick another shape of rectangle. Then I tried to reduce to adjust it to form a shape with it to make it more beautiful and fine, as you can see. Just follow promptly on what I'm doing. So I want that X to extend to the circle. So I'm trying to improvise to see what I can do. As you can see, I'm trying to adjust it, as you can see on the screen. Adjusting. So I think this is better. As you can see on the screen, I'm still adjusting. It's perfect this way. So I went to lock it. So after locking it, I have to merge it by clicking the merge at the middle down part. Then I click on merge. So after merging, I went to erase color. Background shadow, as you can see. So just click on it, work on it, freestyle on what you think to give you something you love and you want. So I think it's getting better. Okay, let's see. So now I think I love this. Yes. So our logo is ready. So I'm using letter X for my logo. It matters the name of logo that they want. So you can save by clicking the three dotted up and click either PNG or JPEG and click on Ultra and save your design. You can also save it as a project so that maybe if your clients want some edits, so you can go back to it. So this is an example of logo, again, one of the projects on my file. So this is letter N. So it's not only letter X. You can do like the one I did earlier. You can pick any letter, make it as a logo, as a sample. So just try and do that. Pick any letter. You can pick letter B or any letter. Just freestyle on the logo and see how improve you can what improvement you can make on Pixellab as you are working on each of the tools on it. So I'm trying to see if I can put a stroke color on it. Putting my colorless stroke, I think you can. Your stroke color don't have to be color black. You can put any color you wish or you want. Just freestyle on each of the buttons there. Work on each of the tools on the Pixellab. As you work on it and practice, you get to tend to understand someone. So I'm trying to change the background to see if it can give me something different. So you can download any background you want. Just go to Google, search on background color, click on images. You see a lot of background colors that you can download on your gallery. Then you can use them on the texture or the background of your logo or whatever you are working on. So just improve and work on it, something different from mine and something even unique and beautiful than mine. So I'm trying to see if I can adjust it by clicking on the emboss to see if it can make it something different. So just freestyle on each of the tools on the Pixellab. As you work each day, you get to improve on what you are working on. So this is my stroke now. I'm choosing color white. So pick whatever colors you want that you can work on to make your work beautiful. If you like our videos, I just bringing out different videos on how to use Pixellab and how to design logo. Please do not forget to subscribe on our channel if you're just joining us. Like our channel and as well comments. I'm waiting for your comments. So here we have something like this. I'm changing the colors to see something if you can give me something different on it. Do not forget to share our channels to others that you think might be of usefulness to them. They can benefit as well. So you can save the changes up by clicking the project up there. You can see. So this is the logo we're able to design today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.